It's all finished, and oh, I've just really thoroughly enjoyed making this one. Okay, done that. I think, oh, I was gonna actually put a bit of yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I'm not sure whether it'll work, but I thought I'd just dull those down a bit. But I actually quite like the way that's looking. I didn't want to put anything on the spine there because it's such a nice book. I just thought, oh yeah, that's fine. That just tones it down a bit. Look, that's enough. That's great. Yep, like that. Okay, so done a dangle. Oops, caught up there. There we go. Just see if you can see that. It's very hard to show these, isn't it? So just a few bits and pieces. There we go. Okay, and I'll put it on one of the, I think the Tim Holtz ones, aren't they? There. Okay. And just tied some of this on because I wanted a bit of that as well because I like my fluff. Yeah. And seam binding, or I've done a enamelled piece for the front there. And that's enamelled as well. And some seam binding, and there's the back. Yeah, this one turns out great as well. So that's a video on how I done the cover on this one. It was junk in the trunk, the last one before. Anyway, I'll put all the descriptions in the description box below. So right, let's get this right, Andrea. There we go. Let's pull those. Okay. Right, so that's the inside cover. Okay, and done some enamel dangles here. Just to tag. Some of my tags haven't been backed yet or anything. Oh, and I've just got a little one of those ephemera letters here. That one. I've got to ink those up as well. I just thought, oh, it's finished now. I just got to go in and make sure all the tags are backed and, you know, that sort of thing. But it's just a backed card there. What that was. So, just wondering whether to put them that way. Yeah, okay, well, maybe another one down here. I'm not sure yet. And something up there. Okay, and then this is the pocket that I've shown you how to do, like the insert from envelopes. Oh, I keep catching that as well, look. Okay, I'll sort that out. So that's catching somewhere. Oh, no, it should be right. That's that one. There. Some stickers, and that's just a bit of, oh, that's, you know, what I mop up with. Deli sheets, and that's just a bit of that. I thought that went well. And stamped and everything on the pages. And there. There's a rip pocket here. Cut the tags and things. Yep. Made that little snippet into a pocket. Just a book page there, and one of the tags. There's another tag there. And there. And there's another little snippet there with a little pocket for a ticket on that one. And this is a flip out. I'll just run out that way. Okay, it just flips out there, and there's a tag in that one. Have that there. And then that's a little flip out page there as well, and a big pocket here for something. Okay, getting a bit full, so I'm not adding any more. That's just a little booklet there, another little tag, and one of the big tags. There's 2 pockets here. Okay, and some dangles, just some little button type things, shell beads. I thought they went quite nice, the colours. Yeah, I didn't put anything too much in the centre because I've got these in here, you know, so you sort of, it stands one big thing but not two. Again, it's another tag there, another one there, and another flip out here, and that's another tag with another dangle. That's the little pressed flower ones I done, and there's a pocket here, okay, made out of a brown paper bag there, and this is a little booklet I made out of that Trifold, because I had a few of them left, so sort of use that. Oh, and this is just a odd piece of paper, but I really love it. It's just lovely. It's one of the ones that bleeds out that you print out, and you know, they're one-offs, definitely. I just think it's nice to add. I think writing on that would look beautiful. Get that in. That's one of the envelopes there. Nothing in the envelopes, and then I've used a tuck spot there. I love these. It's got little hearts, the bead. Really love them. My favourite. And that's the other side of that one. A journaling card. Oh, I forgot that as well, didn't I? It's tag at the top here as well on that one. That, which I'll put in a minute. And there's also a journaling card on here. Yeah. And there'll be a tag on the front one as well, which I forgot to show you on here. Exactly the same. Okay, let's put that in. And there's a window envelope there. Okay, and then behind I've got a sticker, so that shows through the window. And then a little snippet there. Just a banner there, and a little tag there with a little slip pocket that you can put something under there. Okay, another tag here, collage tag. I thought with the colours look nice with that. That's one of the Tim Holtz pocket things there. That's another card. There's the other envelope, which I've done on the original video with all the envelopes. So there's a video on those as well, so I'll link that in the description box. There, no, there's another envelope I did as well. So, and then just put that diddy thing under there. I won't get it out now. Yeah. Okay. I love these. Then there's a belly band here. I've got it stuck in with another tag here, which I was going to do that. That's it. So that sticks out there. Yeah, it's one of the large tags that we've all been doing from the kit. Yeah. With dangle, and those were a freebie. Yeah, they were. And they're on my website or my group. Okay, that you can have enamelled. Just put a bead on and a little leaf as well, which goes there. Okay. That's the centre of that signature, the dangles. I agree, I love the way this is green. Yeah. Journaling card there. Another collage tag. Another envelope here with a tag there, just wrapped around. Oh, I know these were the original ones. My scan tags I have. These are one of the original ones that I've done. Not with these on, not with the flower on, but the actual original background. It's there. There's a pocket there of fabric, which I need to just trim that, I think. I don't know if I put in it. Oh, a little Tim Holtz. Right, journaling card. Yeah. And I love mine. It's there. And I like to put these in just to keep them from moving. Right there. Oh. And that's the other side of that envelope. There's a little booklet here. Okay. And then there's a big pocket at the back here. I just pull that out. And it's in there. And that opens out, so you've got a lot of journaling space there. Yeah. Okay. And then that's the back. Okay. Some people like it, you know, the other way, that bit across there, but I actually like it if it goes over. I don't know, it just sits right. Sometimes when it comes inside, I'm not sure whether it sits right, so I leave it at that. But the person that gets it can change that around if they like it the other way. But yes, it's quite a lot in here. And it's ended up quite grungy, but okay. Well, thank you very much for watching then, and that's the end of Nature's Remedies for a bit. Yeah, I'm going to go on with something else now. I'm not sure what. I'm going to have a little break with, you know, and just sort of potter for a few days, and then I'll decide what sort of journal I'm going to do. I'm going to literally make a load of tags because I need to make some more of those. I got a bit behind the last week really, because of having to do the hair salon up and everything. So we need to get on with a few more of those now. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.